Yeah, Corey on the mic. This one's for Michael. Let's go. Let go. 4 seasons deep, I seen the grind firsthand. Day after day, never folded, always stand. Early mornings, late nights, sweat on the floor. You kept pushing when they said you couldn't score. Pressure on your shoulders, still you stayed true. Every loss turned fuel, every win grew. I watch you level up, watch you lock in. Part of a champion, fire from within. They don't see the work when the lights ain't on. They don't hear the doubt you've been running from. But I do, I was there, every rep, every play. Saw you earn your shine, yeah, you paved that way, yeah. 26 medals hanging like stars in the sky. Every single one a reason you fly. Last season I was coaching side by side. Now look at you, can't hide that pride. Got me feeling like a superstar. Every time I see how far you are. From the grind to the finish line, you shine so hard, yeah, you raise the bar. Got me feeling like a superstar. Whole crowd up, hear 'em roar. That's my athlete, that's my guy. You win like that, make a coach feel fly. I coach you through the storms, through the doubt and pain. Saw you turn pressure into propane. Every medal heavy cause it's earned, not given. Every victory proof of how you living. You stayed hungry, never played small. Even when the odds tried to build a wall. You showed discipline, heart and pride. That's how legends rise, that's how winners ride. From season 1 to the final run, you became the proof of what belief can become. And when they call your name, yeah, I stand tall. Cause your win feels like I won it all. 26 medals, let them clank when you walk. That sound right there, that's champion talk. Last season together, history made. Now every light hit different when you step on stage. Got me feeling like a superstar. Look at all the work, you turn a star. From the grind to the finish line, you shine so hard, yeah, you raise the bar. Got me feeling like a superstar. Hands up high, let them know who you are. That's my athlete, that's my pride. You win like that, make a coach feel fly. This ain't luck, this ain't respect. Blood, sweat, heart in every step. They see medals, I see soul. I see a fighter in full control. When you win, yeah, we all win too. That's what real champions do. Got me feeling like a superstar. 26 medals, here you are. Whole world watching every time you shine. You win and turn hard work into prime. Got me feeling like a superstar. Crowd go crazy, hear 'em roar. That's my athlete, that's my guy. You win like that, yeah, you touch the sky. Yeah. Michael, this your moment. Coach Corey said it. Superstar energy.
Yeah. Wild child on deck, wild child on deck. Crazy legs, this one's for you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. I seen you run head first into the flame. Never half step, never play it safe. You move like thunder with a smile on your face. Turn every fall into a higher place. They don't get your vision, they don't feel that spark. But guys don't whisper, they tear through the dark. You built from nothing, from sweat and belief. Turned out into rhythm, pressure in the heat. I watch you leap when the floor fell out. Watch you trust your body when your mind had doubt. That's not luck, that's alignment, that's soul on track. That's crazy legs, never knowing how to go back. When the crowd goes quiet and the lights feel low, remember what you carry, what you already know. You weren't made small, you were made to ignite. Born to move worlds, born to light up the night. Just believe in yourself, you can do anything, don't need nobody else. Just believe in yourself, God's wildest dreams can manifest for yourself. Hands up high, let the whole world know what you feel inside, gonna overflow. Just believe in yourself, wild child said it, now go be yourself. Yeah, you dance like gravity, sign a waiver. Every move a prayer, every spin a favor. You don't ask permission, you create the lane. Turn pain into power, scars into flame. When they say slow down, you hear go harder. When they say impossible, you go farther. That faith in your chest, that's ancient tech. That's God's talking back when you place your bet. I seen you jump when the timing was wrong. And land so clean, they had to sing your song. That's belief in motion, that's truth. in flight. That's what happens when you trust your light. If fear starts talking, let it talk to the wall. You already answered when you chose to fall. Forward, upward, into the blaze. You don't chase dreams, you activate. Just believe in yourself. You can do anything, don't need nobody else. Just believe in yourself. God's wildest dreams can manifest for yourself. Jump so high, break the whole damn mold. What's inside you worth more than gold. Just believe in yourself. Crazy legs, this your moment, feel yourself. This ain't hype, this prophecy loud. You move like destiny, breaking the crowd. When you trust that voice, when you trust that flame. The universe moves when you say your name. No ceiling, no cage, no borrowed belief. Just soul, just rhythm, just truth in your feet. Just believe in yourself. Every vision you see was placed there for help. Just believe in yourself. God's wildest dreams got your name on the shelf. Crowd go crazy when you take that leap. You don't just move, you wake up sleep. Just believe in yourself. Wild child of crazy legs, go be yourself. Crazy leg, you already are. Wild child out.
Yeah. Hey Mikey, listen up, baby. Baby, 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 hey, hey, listen up, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, life get loud, mind get messy. Some days strong, some days heavy. But you're still standing, still breathing. That alone mean you undefeated. Bill stars, nights too long. Still woke up, still went on. You don't see it, but I do. Everything you fighting through, every step, every scar. You done came this damn far. So when your head start playing games, let me tell you something plain. Don't worry about a thing, baby, baby, baby. Don't worry about a thing, baby. Everything gon' be okay. Don't worry about a thing, baby, baby, baby. Hands up high, let it sway. Let that stress float away. You got heart, you got soul. You got light they can't control. Even when you feel off track, you still got your whole damn back. Ain't no rush, ain't no race. You allowed to find your pace. Storms don't last, feelings pass. This moment ain't built to last. You love more than you know. Even quiet, even low, so breathe in deep. Let it bang, hit this hook, let it hang. Don't worry about a thing, baby, baby, baby. Hey, don't worry about a thing, baby. Everything gon' be okay. Don't worry about a thing, baby, baby, baby. Rock side to side, no shame. Let the joy do its thing. Hey, smile a little, bounce a little. Hey, hey, world keeps spinning, so do you. No fear, no change, no way, no pain. Just right now, just today, yeah. Don't worry about a thing, baby, baby, baby. Say loud, let it play, let that sunshine stay. Don't worry about a thing, baby, baby, baby. You good, you safe, you straight, yeah, you gon' be okay. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. To Mikey. Baby, all up.
Hey, Mikey boy, we just getting started, son.
Hey, Mikey boy, we just getting started, son. Let's ride. From the dirt to the dash, hear the engine ignite. Had a vision in the dark, now it's blasting with light. I believed in myself when the room said nah. Now the door flying open like who you are. We ain't wait on permission. We built our own lane, turned pressure into diamonds, turned out into flame. Every loss was a lesson, every win got loud. Now the future calling back like you said, proud. Hands on the wheel, eyes on the sky when you bet on yourself. Watch the world comply, no breaks, no fail. Whole squad aligned, it's the moment we've been rehearsing in our mind. Let's ride, my boy, we just getting started. We bridge big, getting paid, can't stop it. Believe to reality, watch it manifest. Creating utopia out it, go me, go best. Let's ride, my boy, we just getting started. We bridge big, yeah, we charting the profit. All gas, no doubt, put your hands to the sky. I believed in myself, now the stars reply. Every mile got a story, every scar got a sound. Hear the bass, tell the truth when they're knocking around. I was broke in the pockets, rich in the plan, now the plan got receipts. Watch it land, we ain't chasing no cloud, we creating in the vibe. Build a world where the dreamers don't gotta hide. Laughing through the chaos, champagne on ice. When belief turn to action,
action, life double the price. Red view small, big road ahead. If the doubts start talking, let the drums say dead. We up, we live, whole crew alive. At the trust yourself on a 10-speed drive. Let's ride, my boy. We just getting started, we rich big. Getting paid, can't stop. From belief to reality, watch it manifest. Creating utopia at it, go me, go best. Let's ride, my boy. We just getting started, we rich big. Yeah, we charging the profit, all gas, no doubt. Put your hands to the sky. I believed in myself, now the stars reply. No ceiling, no cage, no ball fake, just vision plus work. That's how we escape. If the world say wait, we say watch. When you bet on yourself, the universe nod. Let's ride, my boy. We just getting started, we rich big. Whole life upgrade, from the dream to the dry. Hear the crowd go yes. Utopia in motion, manifest, manifest. Let's ride, my boy. We just getting started, we rich big. Yeah, the future's paid. All gas, no doubt, just the truth on display. I believed in myself, now we on the way. Yeah, Mikey boy, this just the intro. Let's ride. Let's ride. Yeah. Hey, listen.
Finding a brother like you that ain't look desperate. Stood tall in the storm when nobody else cared. Same road, same grind, different shoes, same truth. When the world tried to split us, we stayed bulletproof. You showed me what loyalty really look like. Not lie for the cameras, just there every night. When I doubted my steps, you double my faith. So keep going, my brother, we're built this way. Blood don't always mean family. Time and trust make history. Side by side we never fold. That kind of bond can't be sold. Finding a brother like you is impossible. One of a kind, yeah, that's undeniable. When I fall, you pull me vertical. That's brotherhood, solid, unbreakable. Finding a brother like you is impossible. Through every dog you made it inevitable. Hands up high, let the whole world know that kind of love, yeah, it's irreplaceable. We laugh through the pressure, learn from the scar. Turn late night talks into shooting star. You kept it honest, never sugarcoat. When I needed truth, you straight up showed it. Every win feel bigger when you in the frame. Every loss feel lighter when you say my name. If the road get rough, I already know. We don't turn back, we overload. No envy, no ego, no disguise. Just respect and a shared sunrise. If I'm rich in anything I do, it's the fact that I got a brother like you. Finding a brother like you is impossible. One of a kind, yeah, that's undeniable. When I fall, you pull me vertical. That's brotherhood, solid, unbreakable. Finding a brother like you is impossible. Through every dark, you made it inevitable. Hands up high, let the whole world know that kind of love, yeah, it's irreplaceable. If tomorrow tests us again, we pass, no question, no if or when. This ain't hype, it's permanent truth. I'm better just knowing I got you. Finding a brother like you is impossible. Stamped in time, yeah, it's historical. From day one to the finish line, that's my brother, ride or die. Finding a brother like you is impossible. Say it loud, let it echo through. I don't walk this life by myself, cause I found a brother like you, yeah. Impossible to replace, forever to keep.
Run it up. Scratch. After hit, after hit, after hit. DJ Life. Let's go. 2 turntables, 1 mission, we locked in. From basements to stages, the grind never stopping. Crates full of fire, every needle a spark. When we drop that first note, whole room go dark. Then boom, lights up, hands in the sky. Crowd feel it early, yeah, they know why. We don't chase waves, we make them collide. Every set of story, every drop a ride. They say, what's next? Same answer, heat. We don't miss shots, we don't skip Beats built for the moment, trained by the nights. After hit, this our life. Cue it up, bring it back, let it breathe. When the bass talk truth, everybody believe. No fear in the mix, no doubt in the plan. When we touch the decks, it's grand slam. After hit, we can't miss. Hands up high, this my banger. This after hit, we don't quit. From the first scratch to the last eclipse. After hit, we can't miss. Whole room jump when we talk like this. DJ Kings, press play, let the whole world swing. Vinyl talk back when the truth gets spun. Cut so clean, make the night feel young. 808s knock like a promise kept. Every transition, perfect step. We read the crowd like a second language. Turn tension to joy, chaos to damage. For doubt, nah, damage the doubt. Elevate sound when we lock eyes. We shut it down from underground buzz to mainline roar. Every city say run that once more. If momentum's a weapon, we fully equipped. After hit, never slip. Faders up, filters tight, let it ride. When the drop hit right, watch the stars align. No luck in this just craft and grit. We practice for nights like this. After hit, we can't miss. Hands up high, this my banger. This after hit, we don't quit. From the first scratch to the last eclipse. We can't miss. Whole room jump when we talk like this. DJ Kings, press play, let the whole world swing. Why it is? Again. When the needle kiss wax, future's written. Just wanna bang a no intermission. We can't miss. Say it out loud, it's my banger. This we don't quit. Every night legendary, stamped and fixed. We can't miss. Crowd go crazy when we talk like this. DJ Kings, one more time.